Kublai pi baro syakatup Khuborjylla ke Donbosco Media Network. Kimat ki bakong san mentah ke sini kilong. Pelat ke Glenmark bat ke SECH da ki kali Mobile Medical Unit ban Syakri ya ki pata. Ba Klemwanra jinghun bat Shania ke Kaipot jong ke Expert Committee halor ke Reservation Policy. Bat mentah ngin ya pai syaki Khubor ki bakambanya. Kumshi benta ban pen klanya ka jing sumar padba hadu ki Shillong ki bajingai bat ban pen sapriang ya ka Khubor halor ka kwat ka khia nakaliang ka Glenmark Foundation ha ka jing trelang bat ka Society for Action in Community Health SACH kala pelat padba ya ka kali ai jing sumar ka balatip kum ka Health on Wheels ka Mobile Medical Unit ka ban let ai jing syakri syaki Shillong kendong. Kani ka project ketemu ban penklan ya ka rukom trekam jong ka kwat ka khia haki Shillong bar ban penti kenaru baki pad ba kinyo ya ka jing sumar ka bapaka. Kani ka senjam ketemu ban penpoi ya ki jing sumar hakumba arpo tili ki Shillong hari boy district. Ka Mobile Medical Unit kan ai jing syakri pad ba hakerdop jong ki Shillong kamtam ya ki kentei armet ki khna kiri rang ba pat ki wei pat ki badan haki jing ban yo ya ki jing rap hakapor ka babyang bat kane ka program ka long kumshi benta na ka jing thmu ban penjanai ya ka jing syakri pat ba haki than nong kendong bat ban pentikna ba ka jing sumar ka poi syaki badan kamtam ya ka tei ka kali Health on Wheels la pelat pat ba menta ka sngi ha sning da Dr. Celestine Lingdo MLA ka sning constituency kum ukongsan hakane ka jing lang Layadan Langru Usampat Kumar, Principal Secretary ke Khuborjylla, ka Shweta Monjal, Chief Communication but CSR Officer ka Glenmark Pharmaceuticals, UKP Rajandran nakaliang ka SACH, lambat kiway pat kinong tray jogatanat ka kot ka khia. Habakran ha ka jingelang u Dr. Celestine Lingdo ulaay ka jingero ya ka ni ka senjam bat ula banjur halor ka jingdan kam ban penklan ya ka jing sumar hakitan nong kendong. Ula penpau ya ka jing sngongo ya ka Glenmark Foundation bat ka SACH bakila shim ya ka ni ka senjam da ka baongru ba ka ni ka Mobile Medical Unit ka wanra jing mentoy shibun ya ki ba.
As a health clinic on wheels. This will really bring a lot of changes in the facilities that we provide to our villages. When I think as a doctor, we find that most of the diseases that reach into complications is because we fail to detect them at the early stage. Let's take diabetes. If a proper screening is done at an early stage, we can always avoid the renal failure. We can always avoid the retinopathy, and so on and so forth, the complications that comes out of diabetes. So this is an opportunity for our general public and villagers in a special way to get themselves checked. And I'm very delighted to hear that Madam Shweta has mentioned that this machine will have, not Madam Shweta, Master Rajendran, I think, that this vehicle will be having basic pathological tests, ECG machines, and the other common tests that can be provided to the people. So I look forward to the changes, as our Principal Secretary has said. If this gives good results, it can be replicated in different areas of the state. To know that this Health on Wheels will be covering 15 villages every week, that itself is a very reassuring statement, which goes a long way into providing care to our general public. So I will not delay my speech. We will always join hands together. I hope what you start now will continue for a long time to come. Because earlier, as Rambach Nong Ba Nong Bri has said, something has been started by one company, but it has stopped. I hope this model will be continued for time to come. And when we talk about such, I am always very pleased to every nook and corner that I go. When I see street lights, such is written with some banks. When I go to Kerdem Kulai, last time we went there, such providing computers through CSR project of different companies. So these are things, when the right group implements the CSR fund that is provided by different companies, implemented in the right way, benefits really can be seen on the ground. So congratulations to Saj, and I wish that Glenmark will flourish in the years to come and invest more. Of course, the CSR mandate has provided a certain percentage that you have to spend, but I wish that you will be earning more so that that amount will be increased. So with these few words, I would like to say once again, Khuborjylla ya barok kira mak Shillong kilong kami ngakermen.
2, 3, one more.
Clinic on Wheels has been commissioned today. We flag it off with this green flag.
MLA juga North Shillong constituency ba Adelbert Nongrum. Ulapan pau ya kajing bam hun ya ka kai pot report balawan ra da ka expert committee. Kabala thung da ka sarkar Jylla halor kumno ban pej benya ya kajing penkela thamai ya ka state reservation policy. Haka jingkran bat kilat pathai Khubor haka jan miet jangka arpu pratarik Rymphang hajar arpun riu na kaliang uba Adelbert Nongrum ula ong ba hadien ba ula puli benya ya kanika report lalap ba kaladon ka jingbam hun bat ka jingbam shania namar ba ula ong haka jing shisha ka komiti ka de ban persyong Nongrim kat kum ka jingdon pat Henry layo I penban ba kasyim de ki number haka jingdon ki ba IT ya ka representation haka ba ulaong ba kat kum ka report kalapau ba ki don proposal persen ki bam kwa jing penkela Henry ki ba kwa pat ban ne kumju kumta kala penlong ya u panwat benya but hakata ka jingwan benya jong u lalap ba kat kum ka volume 13 part 3 ki don hadu sanspa sapuh nyongut ki balawan ban ai jingmut syak expert committee but napedeng ki sanspa sapuh nyo ki babun ki bawan ai jingmut kim syamlala ban penti kena kat kum ki kendon
sin koalisi bon piki parlok press ki ba lawan he ban syam coverage ka ba aku ai ban ai khamtam ka benta hawdei barka state reservation policy hawdei barka expert committee report nga committee nei po ka house bangnya simbata hawdei banika expert committee report halo ka state reservation policy ti ndrei ka lepor golong balikot ngamdar ka jinghon par ka baaru kolong bahadin ma puli ya kanika report ngasngo kadon ka jimbam hon kadon ru ka jimbam shania ngaban on tikentian kadon ka jimbam shania bo ka jimbam hon te ko banikong kalong bang community ba ngitip ibaro ba kanika state reservation policy kan artarik January 1972 kadai ka balalong outdated ba dong kam ban review ban revamp ti hadien ba ka government kala constituent committee mentala arsnam layai na community ba kan mi ya ta result ba tinray nga lap nga siyam ba ngina community ba kanika committee kan BS jingsha po ka merit apa ka siyam ka bentaban bishar andre nga iba ka siyam kat kum ka numbers kila da kade ka numbers tingin jendela organize ya ka riu jaban riu ki parlo garo kan bakila ki parlo khasi ka bakila maka jaban riu khasi ka bakila ngin sei ya ki brio ban kum ka referendum andre kam siyam ya hata ka lenti ka ba ngila community henry kumba kala pao namari ikat kum ka statistic kabala submit ka findings report naka expert committee kiong ba prapo 100% kiong no change mut kim kwa ka change ki kwa ya ka ban retain ban pene ya ka ju jong ata ka khandai spa nyopuan tikani kalong ka bamla panlong tingong kumno ken kala panlong nga persang ban wat nga persang ban ti nga persang ban pulih ngalap bat ngasem bakata kajing penpau kata ka favor mo ba karkom statistik ba prapusau te nga sulingo tidak ngapit nga bishar ngalap ba apo ka volume khalai part 3 volume khalai jongka hagani jongka expert committee report ti ngalap ngasem hani ba kumba sanspa sau hunyo numbers kibari ki representation kiba submit yaki views and opinion suggestion shaka expert committee ti bat na pareng ka san spa sa hunyo tang shi spa san kiblalit ban face yaka public hearing physically mo daka nomlo daka face submission daka bakilit ban represent daka met daka kamu daka met marmet baka expert committee ti kumba shi spa san tenre kumba sau spa sau puar kila shi submit lembaki city lembaki email but hang ni lalap la shem bakim don kita ki proper identity mo ka ba kat kum ka terms and reference lembaga expert committee la kentu ya kita ki ba ai ka jingbot lani ki ai suggestion kidai ban submit yaki views and opinion kabumut baki dei ban ai ka proper kerteng ka proper address ka email ada ka telephone number tenrei ka bangalap ngasem kibabun kemdan tikum ngena apa ban pediang ya kanika jing ai jimut jongkini ki parlok ka bangi ba kumba arspa nrupo kata po ka volume khatsan khandrio jongka part 3 jongka nika kaipot ka ba lai lembaka export committee ba lalap ba kumba arspa nrupo kita ki duplicate submission ki bai serim kumju lalu kum ki proxy but ngalap ngasya mangtu baki don bon ki bamdon ki telefon bon ki bamdon ki identity proof but kedon ki email hoy tenrei kum ngi la pat ban bisa ramar kum ngalapan pau mane batang nagasan spa sa opinyo tang si spa san ki di balik ya ka ban face ka public hearing te kani di koi ka ba aku apan ke mauru bakini ki kentien ki banga pendokam ni kentien apo ka assembly baka contents kalong dito mo ha kentien ka ba dito kamolong kumju lagadi ka figure lagadi ka kentien kalong kumju naru basna haru bakot ki bapun ti but ka ba lai aku apan ban paken mau ni bakat kum ka part 4 volume 19 ka committee ka pan ken mau ba kat kum ji ketho lembaka committee ka ba ai kaipot ko ba reservation should not solely be based on the population proportion bakam day bakan ya kat kum gajing bun pai kata kadai ka baka committee kapan pau tinloi la rangi pai par chaka har atrik January tak nai spa nyopuar kalau keren shai ba ka keeping in view the inadequacy of representation of these communities in the services on the autonomous state of Meghalaya in terms of their population. Kemo kadi banyak katkum ka population. Marhati por bapengken mau. Ya kadi ka resolution na adopt ka por dan po Assam. Tan kidi singi shawing yo ka full fledged state. But hani ka por nga pagken mau bagi bun siki post but ka reservation kadi for vacancy. Kam day reservation for post. Marhati por. Kibabun ki post kide ki ba la trail la ki way part ki chat benrio yo la ka jong state la jong ti de hor to nomrim ka ba lawan ra ya kan la adopt ini ka 1972 resolution ban ai ya kata ka representation ka balong katkum ka population demographic ti kani ngapun ken maur ba syai bakal contradict kum no ken ngin syania ya ni ka kai pot ka report jong ka expert committee ti bat ka basau abang ko kan mau don ka bentak maha kan tho ya ka report jong ni ka state expert committee ti don paru ka bang haban ai jero ti de ka pen pau ru ba ka kum ka constitution article 14.6 kepada itang na ka bentak ka jo kinumla bakin ling lang pat bat ka academic nomor ka academic kadon la ka jong ka artikel kadon la ka jong ka artikel ka clause ka wala pen pau sai pun kemau bakar kum ka article 16.4 of the constitution kani gade na ka banta ka job ka baki implement ka job reservation tibat halor kani rula ling lang ya ka la combine lang ya ka reservation on academic for very long period of time mo la aslam ba tibat kani ka kum ka committee rula ai jemut baka don sabar jong ka for view jong committee baka ong ai halor kani ndai tam baka i ka jing start na ka jing long lai lui ka kom perhat jong ka government how bade barkani ka reservation on academic namar ka reservation bade academic dari ka artikel kharsan sau ti nani scam bakani ro kadi gawi gicing job na ka banta ki khon samla ki ba dokam ya ka bandit ban pentibet lamagi professional courses kuma ong ip ba jigsisha ngalong po ka house pangan ong ruta ba jigsisha hindi bangilong mo communal mangi nimdon ka ta ka jinglong communal ka jing isi ya kawi pa kaja pendrio dari jonong communal kadai kani ka kar artarik January 1972 ka resolution ka ba pelong communal ban pen isi dan ni ban pen ya pier jemut hapleng kawi kaja pendrio par kawi pa ti ka ba khadu ba pau hangi ba pi ka ba kong sandu beling ong ba kumnungan chania dia ka kumnungan chania ya ka expert committee namar hakawi ka banta kalapan pa honi ba mga kung way u pa ajemut siya ka expert committee hana ba nga ngaong hakar komunika suggestion kabay panpaw hana ba nga ajemut ba mdongkam nam ta ka jingkala no changes are required in the present system and roster system shall be implemented prospectively hana ba nga ajemut bangim dongkam ya ka jingkala Andai dongkam pat ya prospek ya ka roster bukan pendongkam bukan pentrikam syahmat ni pentrikam syadien ngaku ban bu kecing keli ki khon samla bar kecak pendeu brokoi ngam tip kai baron chalendet ban pelong sun negatif ban pelong negatif yang syaka jat pendeu syaka Jylla hi brokoi bahana bangong kita kentien namar kitip boros kata ngala ya keren nam taban review ban revamp bangam ya hap ya kanika system yang ni ke sistem Khuborjylla kumbakalong jadi halor tanong rin kabang aku apan penpau ruang ni ada kawasai bakumlungan sanya ya kani ka committee ba juga por ka omba badil ba ngrum ong bang kwa ka change tenre hakawi par ka submission ka ba ade sispa san kundai katkum ka part 1 volume 2 kani kalong ka jing penpau lemba committee ka bangla ai ka jemut na kadang jonga ba nakaliang chuang hal ai chemut ba katkum ba population demographic ni dongkam banwan ra ai jingkala mde isi ko pa jaban riu ni nomor kapor kala dawa da ka bangin wanra lesi laipo ya ki parlo karu bat sanpo kada yang iki jaban riu khasi kata di kawi ka ba arpat ba prospek bar ka roster kada ba pentrikam prospektif mde retrospektif bar ka balai kama ko apan pau baya kani ke job reservation ke baya combine lang bat ka academic reservation kam long shu ni dongkam ban dealing ya ka dongkam ban pen separate ya ka baban pelong ya nakajong ha ba kanumla ya ka academic ban pen ya lang rekat kat kom system jong ka job reservation tikani kadi ka bang ko pen pau ke jang ai jebut po committee hendrai kani rumah haban ong ba ka contradict kai tingkhu yang bat kaji penpau lembaga ni report ke belah submit lembaga expert committee ti ka bom tip kanu gadon kaji sisa bat komnu gadon hai gadon ka bom sisa tenrei aku penpau ba nakaliang jonga sisin penkut ngam don jisanya But ngamla ban pediam ru ya kanika report ke panika komiti kala summit. Tadi kitin nak yang jong. Khuborjylla.
Badak itu ki Khubor ng lapoi siya kabakut tarhadu bangin daya siyambiyang Khuborjylla.